Hindi ko naman alam na may mga intrigerong reporters pala dito eh. I came here para makipag-usap.
Dana. Mapapagod ka lang dito. So I think it's best that if you go home and rest. Okay? I'm just being concerned.
No, we need to talk, okay? Look, yung mga sinabi ko kanina, I didn't mean to lie. Pero ayoko lang naman masira ka na naman sa mga fans.
It's okay. I understand. And ang importante is that we both know the truth. So, just go home and rest. Okay?
You know, you don't have to rub it in.
Tina, I'm sorry.
Look, Brian, I don't know if I'll ever survive this sickness. Ang gusto ko lang naman sumaya. Hanggat makakaya ko pa. Mangyayari lang yung kapag kasama kita. So please, please let me be happy even just for a while.
Trina!
Miley? Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Excuse me, I didn't come here for you, okay? I came here for Trina.
Look, whatever.
Sir Brian, take na po tayo.
Okay. See you later.
Bakit mo ako pinapunta dito? I'm obviously not wanted here.
Ano pa ba? Eh di syempre para samahan akong bantayan si Brian. I will do everything to get him back. At gagawin ko lahat para makalimutan niya yung Maro na yan. Jill! Ibaba mo na yung mga pagkain sa car, tapos ipasok mo na sa tent ni Brian, okay? Okay, go.